Briggs and Stratton 14 horsepower overhead valve. Runs good. For sale. It has a new starter, new carburetor, and a new air filter. Has good throttle response. Idle's good. Notice for just about no smoke overall. No smoke. This engine probably has a lot of life left. Sitting in the weeds for many years. It has had all the parts that needed replacing. All the parts that usually need replacing replaced. And it overall runs very well. This engine would make a good engine for a mower. A very good one. The mower is junk. The mower that it's on, but the engine is good.